साई राम बेटा, साई राम, साई राम. Okay, so if I am not audible to someone, it is better to leave this meeting and rejoin. Okay, so you wait for some time. Let me take your attendance first. Seventh A. Yes. Okay, so I hope you have completed your studies homework. Done homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, what we will do, when will you send us worksheet? Okay, beta, wait. After 2-3 days, I will send you worksheet. Don't worry. In your maths class WhatsApp group. Okay?
Ma'am, and the
So
last
today,
date for submission of file is 29th, ma'am.
last date of
Ma'am,
submission
मेरा
of
नंबर ऐड कर लें.
File.
Nitesh. Beta,
Yes, ma'am.
which number do you want to add?
Ma'am, my new number.
Is that number already added in your class WhatsApp group or not?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, but maths group are not added.
No, but achha, okay, then I will add beta. I can't add new
Yes,
number, but I can add only that number which is already in your class WhatsApp group. If that number
okay,
is
ma'am.
already in class WhatsApp group, no problem, I will add. Don't worry.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what we will do today? First, we will revise comparing quantities. We have completed which part? I think ratio.
Ma'am,
How to
first
find ratio?
exercise done.
Okay. So first we will revise that part, and after revising, there is one surprise for you. Let's see.
Ma'am, surprise
What?
test.
That I can't say anything, but there is one surprise. You wait. Okay, so first what we will do. Now any one of you tell is screen visible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
good,
ma'am.
good, good. Check. Okay, so first let's revise that part. Within 1 minute we will revise. And okay, listen carefully again. If you want to find a ratio, the ratio means numerator and denominator. Means simply you have to divide. Suppose you have to find the ratio of 2 and 3. The 2 is to 3 means 2 upon 3. It is already in lowest form. Ratio will be 2 upon 3. Suppose you want to find the ratio of rupees to 200 paise. In case of ratio, numerator and denominator unit should be same. It means first you have to convert this rupees into paise. The 2 rupees means 200 paise, and upon 100 paise cancel, 0 cancel. Final 2 is to 1. Because ratio has no unit. What is the meaning of ratio has no unit? Who will explain what is the meaning of ratio has no unit?
Ma'am, it means the
Yes,
units of the ratio are same.
Ratio of units of numerator and denominator. If these two ratios will be same, then same unit you can cancel, and finally there will be no unit. No unit means आपको मीटर मीटर किलोमीटर इस टाइप की कोई यूनिट नहीं मिलेगी. Simply you will get number, then ratio, then number. It means finally you will get no unit. देखो स्टार्टिंग में क्या था, रुपीज एंड पैसे, या रुपीज एंड पैसे, बट फाइनली इफ वी कन्वर्ट रुपीज इनटू पैसे, पैसे पैसे आफ्टर कैंसिलेशन, फाइनल आंसर इज 2:1. इन फाइनल आंसर देयर इज नो यूनिट, यानी लास्ट में आपको कोई यूनिट नहीं मिलेगी. क्लियर? ओके बेटा?
यस मैम.
ठीक है. तो जब भी आपका, अच्छा सपोज करो मैंने आपको ये क्वेश्चन दे दिया, फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ 300 किलोमीटर टू ₹300. It's not possible to find this ratio. रेशियो ऑफ सेम, जैसे मीटर टू मीटर, लेंथ की यूनिट को लेंथ से निकाल सकते हैं, सेम टाइप का रेशियो फाइंड कर सकते हैं. 300 किलोमीटर मीन्स डिस्टेंस, ₹300 मीन्स मनी. तो आप जो डिफरेंट उस फील्ड के होंगे उनका रेशियो आप नहीं फाइंड कर सकते. यदि आप डिस्टेंस का रेशियो डिस्टेंस से फाइंड करेंगे, मनी में भी रुपीज है तो रुपीज से फाइंड करेंगे. आप ये सोचो कि हम 300 किलोमीटर और 300 रुपीज का रेशियो फाइंड कर लेंगे. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू फाइंड दीज टू रेशियोज. क्लियर? यस और
Yes,
नो?
ma'am.
यस मैम.
ओके. नाउ wait. Let me erase this first bit, then. Okay, delete. Now, surprise is that there will be a quiz. Girls versus boys. Listen carefully, beta. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. You are
Yes.
clearly
So there
audible.
will be one quiz. Girls versus boys. Girls versus boys means one question will be asked for girls and second one boys and so on. Number one. In case of if question is for girls, only girls will give answer. Okay, boys will not give answer. If any one of you give answer from boys group, then you will be awarded 0 mark and vice versa. Number one. Second rule, first answer will be the final answer. Suppose करो boys को मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा और किसी ने wrong answer दे दिया, then you will be awarded 0. So first answer will be the final answer. Any one of you can give answer. From boys group, any one of you can give answer. From girls group, any one of you can give answer. Rules clear?
यस मैम.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. मैम
So
मतलब पहले
one,
चैट बॉक्स में नहीं लिखना पड़ेगा.
yes beta?
पहले चैट बॉक्स में नहीं लिखना पड़ेगा.
Okay, very good. Good question. Don't write correct answer in chat box. No one will write.
बॉक्स बंद कर दीजिए.
Is it possible to close this chat box?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
यस मैम.
Wait, beta. Wait.
Ma'am, there is a option of block notification.
Block.
Ma'am,
Okay, chat box. Okay, then
ma'am, then it is written, let everyone send messages. Ma'am, just click it once.
let everyone say. Okay, good. It's okay. Check. So, first group boys and second group girls. First questions will be asked from boys group and second one will be asked for girls. Okay, so first question for boys. Find the ratio of 8 days to 72 hours. Your time starts now.
Option C, 8:3.
Okay, let me check.
C.
Wait, beta, let me check. Correct answer. Very good. So, boys group, one question is for 2 marks. So, 2 marks. Now, second question is for girls. In each of the following options, a pair of ratios are given. Identify the pairs that represent equivalent ratio. Equivalent ratio means simply I can give you hint. Ratio, final answer of ratio should be same.
Ma'am, option B.
Option B. Okay, let us check. Let me submit this solution answer. Yes, correct answer. So 2
Ma'am,
marks for girls.
ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, there are three answers of this question. Ma'am, B, C, and D.
Okay, let me check. Let me check. Identify the pairs that represent equivalent ratios. Equivalent ratios. Okay, okay. Let me
Ma'am,
check.
D.
वेट करो बेटा, अभी चेक करते हैं, रुको. Three options are there. Yes, very good. Because 3 upon 5, 9 is to 15. After cancellation, you will get 3 upon 5. Here 2 upon 7. After cancellation, 12 and 42. Okay, let me show you solution. Wait karo. हाँ, 12 upon 42. Cancel करो. 2 4 जा 2 से
Divide
करो
by
या 3
6.
से कर लो. 3 से कर लेते चलो. 3 4 जा 12. 3 1 जा 3. फिर आपका हो जाएगा 3. एक सेकंड. नितेश 3 1 जा 3. अरे चलो छोड़ो. फिर 2 से कैंसिल करो. 2 2 जा 4. 2 7 जा 14. फाइनल आंसर 2 upon 7. यहाँ भी आप चेक करो. 20 is to 15. 5 से कैंसिल करो. 5 4 जा 5 3 जा and 4 is to 3. So there are three answers, B, C and D. Yes,
So
beta.
girls will be awarded 0.
Yes, of course they will get 0. Of course, no problem. 100%. So let me erase this one. Girls will get 0 mark. Okay. Now next question is for boys group. Which of the following ratios are equivalent to 10 is to 21?
Ma'am, option A and option D.
Option A and option
D.
A and D.
Okay. Already I got the answer A and D. Okay, let me check. A and D. Let me submit. Yes, correct answer. Good, good, good. So again, boys, 2 marks. Now next question is for girls. Two countries A and B are 200 kilometers apart. A map is created such that the scale of the map is this. Find the distance between the two countries on the map paper. अच्छा, इसका मीनिंग समझा देते हैं. लिसन केयरफुली बेटा. 1:2 दिस मीन्स वॉट एवर रिटन, आई डोंट नो, यू रीड इट. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जो, अच्छा छोड़ो, नहीं बता. अच्छा, कौन बताएगा इसका मीनिंग? बताओ. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस?
Ma'am, it means 1 centimeter on the map represents 10 million centimeters on the ground.
Yes, correct, correct, correct. चलो बोलो
And
आंसर.
bonus marks?
No, 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 not a passing round. You have to find the distance between the two countries on the map paper. इतने किलोमीटर अपार्ट है. अब 2000 किलोमीटर के लिए हम मैप में कितने सेंटीमीटर हमें शो करना पड़ेगा? मैप में कितना होगा 2000 किलोमीटर के लिए?
Ma'am, D 200 meter.
Okay, let me check.
No, ma'am.
No, no, no. First answer will be the final answer. Submit. Wrong. Solution.
20 centimeter.
20 centimeter is the correct answer. चलो, next question is for boys.
मैम वीओ में अकेला आंसर दे रहा है, हमारी तो चांस ही नहीं आ रही है.
आगे चलो, ठीक है. अब ये इस क्वेश्चन में बॉयज में व्योम आंसर नहीं देगा, नहीं बनेगा तो भी नहीं देगा।
Ma'am, in the previous question,
This question is not for Vyom. This is for other boys.
Ma'am B.
Wait. There are 12 girls and 18 boys in a class. Select the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys. Anyone.
Ma'am B.
B. Option B.
B.
Ma'am B, not D, B. B.
B.
Yes, correct answer. Good.
Hooray.
So again, 2 marks. Now next question is for girls. The cost of 26 apples is rupees 130. Find the cost of 40 apples. Hurry up, beta. Girls, your chance. Open your account fast.
Rupees 200. Option C.
Option C. Okay, let me check. Submit the solution. Yes, correct answer. So 2 marks for girls also. Good. Now next question is again for boys, but Vyom will not give this answer. The ratio of 5 hours to 60 minutes is. You have to find the ratio. 5 hours to 60 minutes.
Ma'am, 5:1.
Ma'am A 5:1.
5:1. Okay. Okay, let me submit the solution. Correct answer. Solution is same 5:1. Okay, so 2 marks for boys. Okay, now next question is for girls. State whether the statement is true or false. Girls, your turn. Be careful. The ratios this and this are equivalent. Equivalent means same ratio, same answer, final answer. True or false?
False. Ma'am, false.
Okay.
False.
Let me submit the solution. No, it's wrong, बेटा. आप लोगों को टाइम आराम से इतनी जल्दी करने की क्या जरूरत थी? हाँ, ध्यान से देखो क्या मिस्टेक किया आपने. 4:18. 4/18. Now you cancel. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 9s are 18. 2:9. Now 10/45. Cancel करो. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 9s are 45. 2/9. 2/9. Simplest form, your final answer, whatever you say, is same. It means these two are equivalent ratio. True. This statement is true. इतनी जल्दी रहती, जल्दी बता दो. Okay, is the screen visible clearly, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so next question is for
Boys.
Ma'am, can I give now?
Now this time you can give. If 12 kg weigh this, then how many books will together weigh 8.4 kg? It means weight of 12 books are given. Then you have to find how many books will be there if the weight is given 8.4 kg. यदि 3.6 kg weight है, the number of books are
28.
Okay, let me check. Wait, there is some network problem. Maybe it is not.
Ma'am, you have to stop annotating.
Yes. Yeah, this one annonate को stop करना पड़ेगा. Yes. Submit. D बोला था आपने?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct answer. Okay, good. So 2 marks again for boys group. Now next question is for girls. Girls, are you ready? Okay. Read. Determine the missing term in the equation. 9/8 equals to W/16 equals to 36/W. अब आपको हिंट दे रही हूँ. W in place of W, you have to put which two numbers so that this upon this equal to this upon this equals to this upon this. These three ratios should be same. Only girls will give answer. Boys will not give. In place of W, you have to put which number?
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो.
option B 27 and 38.
Yes बेटा, option C, D, which one?
C.
C. Okay, let me check. Submit. Yes, correct answer. Good.
Ma'am, but
Yes,
first Monkey told option B.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं, चलो ठीक है, यदि बोला भी होगा, but I heard C only. No problem. So quiz master's decision will be the final decision. No problem. So 2 marks for
मैम
girls.
क्वेश्चंस मिल रहे हैं.
Next question is for who is saying that they are getting easy questions?
मैम इजी. मैम मैंने कहा
हाँ?
को मुश्किल क्वेश्चंस मिल रहे हैं.
अच्छा,
हम गर्ल्स को
yes.
मुश्किल क्वेश्चंस मिल रहे हैं.
हाँ, बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं. चलो, good. Now next question is for boys group. The scale of the map given this. If two cities are 2 centimeter apart on the map, then what is the actual distance between them? 1:2. इसको रीड करो. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, करोड़. 1:3 crore.
600 kilometer.
600 kilometer. Okay, let me check. Submit. Yes, correct answer. So 2 marks for boys group again. अच्छा, ये सबको समझ में है? How 600 kilometer? Is it clear? Is this concept clear?
No, ma'am.
Not clear?
No, ma'am.
No.
So you do one thing. You convert 600 kilometer. This color is not good. 600 kilometer equals to how many centimeter? Convert.
Ma'am, it is 600. 600. It's 6 crore centimeter.
रुको, wait करो बेटे. There is some problem. Let me erase. $600 kilometer equals to 6. How many zeros will be there?
7.
600 plus 6 zeros.
600 and then 6
Ma'am,
zeros.
6. Ma'am, 6 followed by 7 zeros.
7 zeros. Okay, let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. आप देखो कैसे होगा, अभी चेक कर लेते हैं. चलो देखो, ध्यान से देखना. मिलीमीटर, सेंटीमीटर, डेसीमीटर, मीटर, डेकामीटर, हेक्टोमीटर, किलोमीटर. हमें सेंटीमीटर से किलोमीटर में जाना है. हाउ मेनी जीरोस लाइज बिटवीन दिस? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 5 zeros ये और 600 में 2 zeros. 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros will be there. तो हो जाएगा इतने सेंटीमीटर होगा. अब आपको दिया है, आपको 1 सेंटीमीटर इसके इक्वल है. इसमें कितने जीरो से काउंट करो. हाउ मेनी जीरोस आर इन दिस? 3 फॉलोड बाय 7. इसका मतलब ये कितने किलोमीटर हो गया? 300 किलोमीटर हो गया. 300 किलोमीटर.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, इसका मतलब 1 सेंटीमीटर किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? 300 किलोमीटर को. तो 2 सेंटीमीटर विल रिप्रेजेंट व्हाट?
600 kilometer.
1 centimeter, because it means 300 kilometer. If 1 centimeter represent 300 kilometer, then 2 centimeter will represent 600 kilometer. So final answer is 600 kilometer. Clear?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
एक second, let me erase this. Okay, चलो. So final answer yes. तो 2 marks for boys group.
Ma'am, you have given again 2 marks.
अच्छा, again given. Okay, very honest. Good, beta, good. Wait करो बेटा, let me write something. Okay, so next question is for girls group. Girls, are you ready? 8 men can together lift a load of 24 kg. How many men will be required to lift a load of 16 kg? 24 kg जो वेट है उसको कितने इतने का लोड जो है उसके लिए 18 मैन चाहिए. प्रैक्टिकली सोचना, 24 kg के लिए 18 मैन, तो 16 kg के लिए कितने मैन चाहिए? हाउ मेनी मैन विल बी रिक्वायर्ड? और इसको सिंपल लैंग्वेज में 24 kg का वेट हमें उठाना हो तो 18 मैन मिलकर उठा रहे हैं, तो 16 kg के लिए कितने चाहिए? गर्ल्स
12 kg.
12 kg. Okay, let me check.
Ma'am, the unit is wrong.
12 is the correct answer.
Okay, chalo. Okay. How many men will be required? Okay. How many men? 12 kg. It's okay. 12 kg will not be there. 12 में चलो ठीक है, उन्होंने
12 ma'am required.
12. Oh, it's okay. इतना चलता है, no problem. So 12. Let me submit. Yes, correct answer. So 2 marks for girls. बट ध्यान रखना बेटा, आपसे men पूछा था. Men means men तो kg में आएंगे नहीं. Can you say that 12 kg men are there? क्यों?
No, ma'am.
12 kg men are there. Okay, so next question is for boys group. This question is not for Vyom. Other than Vyom, any one of you can give answer from boys group. A train covers a distance of this in 1 hour. Find the time taken by it to cover a distance of 960 kilometer.
Ma'am, you have to click on extend.
What?
Ma'am, you have to click on extend.
Extend दबाइए.
Extend. Okay. Extend.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, C 8 hours.
C 8 hours. Okay, let me check. Submit this solution. Yes, correct answer. So 2 marks for boys group. Again, next question is for girls. Express this as a ratio. So simple question, girls. So simple. So you have to express this solution in the ratio form.
Ma'am, B 5 by 8. 5
B.
is to 8.
Okay, B. Submit. Wait. Yes, correct answer. So 2 marks for girls group. Now next question is for boys. From boys group, any one of you can give answer, including Vyom also. 2 shirts cost this. What is the cost of a dozen shirts? So simple question. Hurry up fast.
Ma'am, C.
C, okay, let me check. Select this answer. C. Submit. Yes, correct answer. So 2 marks for boys. Let me write here now. 2. Now next question is for girls. Select the ratio that is equivalent to 5:6.
Wrong answer. C.
Yes, beta. C was not correct answer. What are you saying? According to you, C was not a correct answer.
Option D.
Option D.
D. Okay. Let me check. Yes, correct answer. So 2 marks for girls. Now next question is for boys. State whether the statement is true or false. 2 ratios are said to be proportional when they are equivalent. True. Okay, let me submit. Yes, correct. So 2 marks for boys again. And the next question is for girls. Find the ratio of rupees 4 to 25 paise.
Ma'am, option C 16:1.
Okay, let me submit. Yes, correct answer. So 2 marks for girls. Now next question is for boys. Vyom will not give answer. So simple question, so simple. Any one of you can give. Vyom will not give. Find a missing term in the equation. Hurry up.
Ma'am, can I give?
Of course, beta. Any one of you can give. Hurry up fast.
15.
15. B. Okay, let me submit this answer. Yes, correct mark, correct answer. So 2 marks again for boys group. Okay. Now next question, girls, your turn. Which of the following is an equivalent ratio of 3:7? At least 2-3 times you got the same number.
Ma'am, option B.
B. Wait. Let me submit. Yes, correct answer. So again, 2 marks for girls. Now, next question is for boys. The ratio, these are equivalent or false?
False.
False. Okay. Submit. Yes, correct answer. +2. And last question is for girls. Final chance for you, beta. Okay. The length to breadth ratio of Indian flag should be this. Find the breadth of an Indian flag that has a length of 72. Hurry up, fast. Last question.
Ma'am,
Okay,
yes, ma'am.
Let me check. Submit. No, beta, it's
48.
wrong.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
48. 48 B.
Correct answer is
48
48. So 0 mark for girls. Now,
मैम साराक्षी मैम जब अनुमेघा ने बोला था 108 तो मैम तभी साराक्षी ने 48 ही बोला था.
but first answer will be the final answer. I have already told you.
So, ma'am,
4, 4, 8. 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 10, 12,
22.
14, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20. कितने आंसर है? कितना है मार्क्स टोटल?
22.
Wait, 22. Yes. Now, girls. 14. Okay, so for today's quiz, who is the winner?
Boys.
Boys.
Time, girls. No problem. Next time again there will be one quiz. Okay. And let me tell you, which chapter will be in congruent
गर्ल्स
triangle.
को ज्यादा मुश्किल क्वेश्चंस मिले थे.
It's okay, beta. No problem. Take one more question.
हमें भी मुश्किल मिले थे.
Suppose answer of that.
मैम मुझे 2-3 क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आए.
मैम मुझे आपसे
Which
कुछ
one?
पूछना है.
मैम
Okay, now first you note down one. Listen, beta. First you note down one thing. Next time we will conduct quiz from the chapter congruent triangles. So you have to prepare this chapter. Okay?
मैम हमें जो
Congruent triangles.
वो A4 साइज लाइनिंग वाली फाइल में बनानी है या फिर A4 साइज ब्लैंक पेपर में बनानी है.
What? Repeat again. Which file?
कॉपी जैसे पेपर होते हैं उनकी जो फाइल होती है उसमें बनाना है या फिर A4 साइज की फाइल में बनाना है.
Maths lab practical. Which file, beta?
मैम
Any, beta. One by one. One by one. हाँ, ask it out again, beta. Which file?
हमें जो मैथ्स की फाइल है जिसमें हमें वो आपने कहा था कि शेप्स को बॉक्स में रखना है, उसके नेट को चिपकाना है, शेप्स को नहीं चिपकाना।
Okay. It's up to you, beta. If you want to take ruled paper, no problem. If you want to take plain A4 size paper, you can take. No problem. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है.
And then to submit the chart address.
Yes, beta.
Then to submit this.
Last date of submission. Last date on Monday, Tuesday. 27th. Yes, 27th will be the last.
27 for ma'am chart.
29 कर दिया था मैम, 27 नहीं था।
27 and 29 बोला था आपने।
Okay, beta, but finally 27th. Okay, 27th is the last date. Bus.
Ma'am, for chart and file both.
No, for chart, chart 31st. Chart 31st. Chart 31st and this making 3D shapes, you have to submit on 29th. Two dates are there. Okay, beta?
27.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, worksheet. Worksheet, you decide any
मैम
one
मुझे
date.
3D शेप समझ में नहीं आया।
मैम 1 फरवरी।
No, beta.
3D शेप समझ में नहीं आया। आपने जिस क्लास में 3D शेप बताया था,
Beta, you can take help of YouTube or so many
Ma'am?
3D sheets are there. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, 28 for worksheet.
28th. Okay, 28th. Take 28th or 29th. No problem.
अगर आप
Either 28th or 29th.
Yes ma'am.
Either
Time
28th
limit
or 29th. No
Ma'am, when
problem.
you are ready,
टाइम लिमिट
What time limit?
कि इतने देर में भेजना है या एक दिन में भेजना है ऐसे।
27th means any time on 27th.
ma'am,
From 4 o'clock.
मैम वर्कशीट के क्वेश्चंस
Yes, beta.
मैम आप कब भेजेंगी वर्कशीट के क्वेश्चंस?
After 2-3 days on Monday. On Monday I will send, beta.
यस मैम 4 o'clock टू कितने बजे तक भेज सकते हैं?
4 o'clock to 11:59 p.m.
यस मैम।
Okay? Okay,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
So, time over, leave one by one.
थैंक यू मैम साईराम।
साईराम मैम।